Go Hilda, go Hilda, go Hilda, go Hilda. Hello, everybody. Hello, people. We are made to be giants. Yes, yes, yes. It's happening. So, this young lady, Hilda Baci, she has been on her journey. I'm going to call it a journey because it's not easy. It is not easy at all. It's not easy. She has been on her feet, standing for the past 94 hours. As of the time I'm making this video, it's been 94 hours, guys. She wants to beat the Guinness World Record. The previous holder, she cooked for 87 hours. So she already beat it. Like she has crossed it. She has set the bar high. She has crossed it already, guys. Cooking for 4 days, non-stop. 4 days, no sleep. Ah. Hey! Like, when I saw this, I was like, okay, I think just wanted to, I was like, I was shocked. I just wanted to take it like, eh. But I woke up this morning, I took my phone, I had to just check on Instagram to get updates. And I was shocked that she has done 88 hours. And as of now that I'm making this video now, she's at her 94 hours, guys. She did cook for 94 hours. So, guys, now, as you know, everyone is celebrating right now. Everyone is talking about this lady, and everyone is, coming out on her. Like, I mean, both governors, they came, governors of Lagos State, they came, celebrities who were in Lagos, they all came through for her. People came to support her. People came to, cheer her up, telling her you can do this, saying, go Hilda, yeah, go Hilda, go Hilda. Everybody, even pastors, even singers, even musicians, everybody came out. Everyone came out for this lady. Everybody came out to support her. So now this brings me to the lesson I want people out there, not only young ladies, but everyone out there to get from this lady. There are few points, few things that I've written down here, or I just like kind of, okay, let me just observe. And I made my research about this young, beautiful, like if you see this girl, she's so pretty, like pretty. When I say pretty, I mean beautiful young girl, 27 years old, guys. So I just want to bring out few things here from her life, few lessons ladies, even guys out there need to learn. First is vision. What is pushing this girl right now is the vision. I'm telling you, the vision she had, because I heard from research, she has been preparing herself for this for the past 5 years. She has been preparing herself for this for the past 5 years. Now, a 4 days event, she had a preparation of 5 years. She had to prepare for 5 years for a 4 days event. So, guys, when I say, as a young person, you have vision, just know that I am not lying. I've been saying this here on this channel. As a young person, you should have a vision. Now, people, her team, they were able to catch her vision. If this lady did not have the vision, she would not be able to accomplish this. She caught the vision. She shared it with her team. And because she had an amazing team, they were able to catch the vision and they brought it to life. So if you are a young man, a young woman out there without a vision, you cannot go far in life. You can't go far in life. Second lesson to learn from this lady is that you can push yourself. There is no limit. There is no limit. You can be where you want to be. You can get to the extent, like, oh my God. I'm just super excited for her. This is not just women supporting women, but I'm just super excited for this lady because she has set the record straight. She has raised the bar for these girls. Like, I always come here, I talk about all these girls that are into hook up, all this one, because they will say they want to survive. They are doing it because they want to survive. They are doing it because they want to feed their families. Come on. This lady has set an example for you that you can be whatsoever you want to be. You can get to the extent you want to get to. It only takes discipline, commitment. It takes discipline, commitment, and having a vision. You being committed to your vision. Come on, guys. This is so beautiful. It's so beautiful to watch. The support she got. The support she got. Everybody came out for her. Why? Because of the vision. Because of the vision. So as a young person, hey, if you have seen this video, if you have watched the video of this lady and you have not yet changed, nothing has changed in you, just know that your ancestors are after you. I'm telling you, your ancestors, they're after you. Your ancestors, they're after you. Like, guys, this is beautiful to watch. It is amazing. Now she has broke the record. She don't scatter the record as the #1 lady, first gear, to cook for 95 hours non-stop. Our children would read about it because I can't do that. Our children would read about it. So do something as a young person. Do something that your generation will remember you of. They would use this to remember you. Do something. Not going around sleeping around with guys. Or maybe going to do yahoo and you think, no, do something different. There are many things to do. There are a lot of things to do. A lot of handiwork to work. Educate yourself. Do something. Learn new skills. I always say this. Learn new skills. Do things. This lady, her mom, has also a Calabar Port restaurant. And I'm sure that was where she got all these things from. That was where she learned how to cook. She learned how to cook, sorry. And then she now went to educate herself, get more knowledge about cooking. So, there is no excuse. There is no excuse at all. Hilda has set the record. I want to start. You guys have. We have to follow. There is no excuse at all. You were saying youths came through for her. Many people their support. Why? Because she had a vision. She had a vision. She just had a vision. Planning, determination, discipline, commitment, teamwork, support. She had a vision, and that vision is what everyone is following. Oh my God, this is this is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. So if you think you are limited, if you think you can't move, just know your ancestors are just they're still holding you because you have no excuse. You have no excuse. For example, you say you want to be anointed. You want to carry the power of God. You want to carry the grace of God. You want to be the biggest evangelist on this planet that when people hear you, you can do it. All you have to do is to stay committed to God. Stay committed to Him. You can do anything you want to achieve. You want to be the best in this world. You want to do anything at all. Anything at all. You can do it. Anything. You can do it. This lady has motivated me. Oh. Hey. She has motivated me. Like anything is possible. anything is possible. You can do anything. I'm telling you, you can do anything. So guys, as of now, okay, I think, yeah, I'm just getting the news now that she has broken the record. She don't break the record. I'm watching my news here, you know. Both the AIT, all the news in Nigeria, they came through for her to video to get what's going on. They all came through for her. So okay. So apparently she has set the new record. She don't set she has set the new record, guys. She has set the new record now. 95 hours. 95 hours. 95 hours. So if you're still on your couch, that weight you want to lose, you can lose that weight. This lady, she was chubby before, but now she's very, very lean. She lost weight. So that weight you want to lose, you can lose it. There is nothing keeping you. Absolutely nothing. That weight you want to lose, you can lose it. That thing you want to do, you can do it. That school, that exam, that thing that you think is too big for you, you can do it. All you have to do is leave your comfort zone. Have the vision, then you plan for it. Leave your comfort zone. Leave it. Get up from the couch. Leave your comfort zone. Leave your comfort zone. Have the vision. Stay committed to your vision. And then you will see how people will come through for you. Okay? That's the end of this video. Hilda, if you're watching this, congratulations. We love you. You have set a new record for us, a new example for us youths. Thank you so much, and God bless you. More wins and more congratulations. Love you, baby. God bless you. And guys, if this is your first time here, I would like you to like, share this video, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let it go around. Let people see what is happening. Let them see what's going on. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. My name is Maureen, and I'm your host.